Hi, I'm Chance Baldwin, one of the analytics experts here at Coastal. And today, I want to take you on a short journey through the art of the possible using Tableau Next, Salesforce's premier AI analytics tool. Now, you can see in front of me, we have a dashboard inside of Tableau Next that's designed to be used by a call center manager to more accurately and interactively gather insights about the performance of his team and the customers that are calling in. Now, you can see at the top of the dashboard, we have a few important key performance indicators that help the call center manager understand the performance of his team, such as the average handle time, average customer satisfaction score, call abandonment, and first call resolution rates. Below the KPIs, we can see some descriptive analytics, such as call volume by agent and queue wait time trends. However, this is more than just a dashboard. And for a call center manager, the dashboard only tells one part of the story and has a very finite number of questions that can be answered by the charts and visualizations that are displayed. This is where Concierge takes analytics to a new level. So if I click on Agent Force, you can open up an interactive natural language experience. And you can see that as a call center manager, I start my journey by asking, which agents have the lowest average handle time? Because I know it's important that my agents are helping customers efficiently so that we can make sure we can provide the best possible experience and service everyone in a timely fashion. From this, the agent provides for me a quick visualization showing the lowest average handle time for some of my top performers, including Karen, Grace, and Chloe. Now, I can use the agentic experience in conjunction with the dashboard. And as I'm looking at what the agent has provided me, I can see not only the call volumes, but one thing that stands out to me is that Chloe actually has the highest average CSAT score. And so this piques my interest as I start to explore this trend and ask these questions to understand what is it that's making Chloe so successful with customers on the phone? Is it her average handle time? Is it the first call response rate? Or is it something different? And so, with this knowledge and question in mind, I'm able to continue the journey with Concierge. So, I follow up by asking, what's the average queue time for Chloe? And the agent lets me know that on average, customers are waiting 100 seconds to talk to Chloe, which means they're on the phone for just over a minute before they get passed through to a live agent. And then I know as a call center manager that it's important that we try and help the customers the first time they call in, so that we can leave them happy and service them quickly. So the next question that I want to try and understand is across our agents, who has the fewest calls resolved on the first contact? And Concierge gives me a breakdown, a visualization that's actually not even on the dashboard that shows me that Tom, Grace, and Noah all have low first call resolution rates. And again, I can couple this with the dashboard that exists, and I can come down and see that Tom falls in the middle for average CSAT score. Grace falls lower than Tom, and it looks like Noah is only one up from the bottom. So these agents, it indicates to me, may need some additional coaching or training to help make them more successful on their ability to support customers on the phone. Now, as I come through Concierge, this is where we can take analytics into action. So not only can I have Concierge provide charts and visualizations and analytics for me that the dashboard doesn't directly answer, but I can also have the agent do things like creating communication that I can use to quickly get in touch with my team, coordinate meetings. And if the data is inside of your Salesforce CRM environment, you can actually start to create records, actions, and tasks to really create a dynamic and seamless experience. So you can see here, I'm now having Concierge create an email for me to send to these three agents that brings attention to the concern around not resolving their calls on first contact, as this, I believe, does potentially impact the average CSAT score and our overall effectiveness of the call center. And you can see that the agent gives me an email that ties back into the relevant metrics, the rationale, and I can review this and send this out to my call center agents, being proactive and responsive to make sure that as a manager, I'm effectively providing my team for support. This is one of the many different use cases around Tableau Next, and where we would love to talk to you more about how you could use Tableau Next in your business operations to answer questions that you may have about your data. Thanks for watching.